Hey guys, it's your girl Tay back with another video, and today I'm going to be blow drying my hair. So right now I have it in these two little braids. I'm going to be blow drying my hair and show you guys how I blow out my hair and also how I trim my ends. I haven't trimmed my ends or blow dried my hair in probably over 8 months, probably a year now, so it's definitely time for a trim. So I'm going to show you like what products I use and how I do my trims and everything, so stay tuned. Okay, so I know that my hair is loving me right now. I just did an Aztec clay mask, got all that gunk out of my hair, all the product buildup. My hair feels so good. I did a deep conditioning with my heated cap. Like, I really pampered my hair tonight, I really did. And it's been a long time since I've done that, so I know my hair is thanking me, and now it's gonna hate me because I'm about to put heat on it. But it's fine, it's not too bad of heat, it's just blow dry. I'm gonna take out the braids, and then I'm going to spray my first product, which will be the Tresemme Heat Protectant. So this will be the first product that I'll be spraying throughout my hair. Yeah, so it's the Tresemme Heat Protectant right here. And I'm just going to spray this throughout. I'm actually going to spray quite a lot because I'm not straightening my hair, I'm just blow drying it, so I don't really care about having too much product in my hair since I'm not actually straightening it. Oh, and also the one product that I had in my hair with the two braids was the Design Essentials Leave-In Conditioner. I'll show you. Essentials Almond Avocado Leave-In Conditioner. And now I'm just spraying the heat protectant. Really make sure you get your ends too. I know we tend to forget those. Even though I'm cutting them off, I don't know. I always protect my ends because I'd be scared. So just gonna rub that in through with my hands. Okay, so I'm gonna split this section into two, and I'm gonna show you this product I discovered, I think back in high school when I was first learning how to straighten my own hair. And baby, let me tell you, this isn't like a hair straightening video, but if I were to straighten my hair, I would be going on and on about this product. But I do also use it to blow dry my hair, so I'm gonna show you guys now. This Chi serum, I'm telling you, it's the Silk Infusion Chi. Now, it is pretty pricey. This little bottle is kind of a lot. I don't remember exactly how much it is, but I'll put it on here. It's kind of a lot. But for blow drying and straightening your hair, it makes it so much silkier, so much softer, so much flatter. Like, this right here is like magic in a bottle, literally. So I'm not gonna put too much, just like probably that much in this whole section, but it's literally magic in a bottle. Like, I haven't straightened my hair in so long, so I haven't had a reason to pull this product out, but I'm happy to pull it out now. Love, 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 love. So I usually do the heat protectant and the G. So I'm doing a little more heat protectant on this section only, just to make sure we're fully protected. And some people like to wait till the hair is like 80 or 70% dry, air dry to start blow drying. I really don't do that. I really don't have time for that. So take this wide tooth comb to make sure the product is distributed and that my hair is pretty much as combed out as possible, because I'm going to show you the type of blow dryer that I use. It's a little bit different, but it does require my hair to be completely detangled. With this wide tooth comb, it'd be looking dry, so I feel like waiting for it to just like air dry and stuff is wasting my time. So this is the blow dryer that I use. I think it's it's Revlon. It's a Revlon one. It's a paddle brush. So I really like this blow dryer. Like, it gets my hair flatter when I blow dry it, so yeah. And then it just avoids like having to have a brush in one hand, blow dryer in one hand, just doing a lot. So this one right here, great, love it. Okay, and you guys can listen to some lovely elevator music so that I don't get copyrighted while I do this. How do I turn this on? I haven't used it in so long. Oh, it's down here. Okay. I'm gonna just do low setting for now, and then probably high in the very end. section is pretty much dry, so I'm just going to twist it up. And then, ooh, my roots are still very soaking wet. I'm gonna fix that. I think I did too big of a section, so the next one I'll probably do like way smaller. But yeah, I'm just gonna fix my roots and then I'll twist up each section. I'm gonna untwist this one and then blow dry it together, and then twist it as one big twist. Okay, one side is done. It is hot here. This is a lot. So yeah, one side completely done. Roots are still damp, but that's okay. We'll fix it at the end, and I'm just going to twist all of this back up. Okay, we are in the final stretch. Last little piece. All dried out. Show you guys the final blow dry gel. It's a lot. It's a lot. So this is where we're at with it. This side is a little bit poofier because it didn't have that twist to hold it. I just finished this top piece, but yeah. So now we're about to trim these ends and get ready for our style, which you'll see in the next video. But yeah, child, it's a lot. Look at the back. Next time you guys do your prayers at night, pray for me on wash day, okay? Because this is what I be washing every week. I don't really clip my ends anymore because I don't have straight pieces, but when I did have straight pieces, I would just clip them whenever I saw them. But I have had a trim in like 8 months since I haven't seen any straight pieces, so that's why I'm just trimming my ends. So I'm not going to trim too much, but I do want my hair to stay healthy. So these scissors are brand new. I just got them off the pack. I recommend switching out your hair cutting scissors every year because once they're dull, it's not really helping. It's hindering your hair progress, seriously. So you don't want to cut on scissors that you've used on paper. You don't want to cut on scissors that you used to cut off tags. Only hair cutting scissors. Hair only. So these are my hair cutting scissors that I just bought, and they're really sharp. So sharpest you can get. Don't use paper scissors. Don't use little kid scissors. Don't use just any scissors lying around your house. Go get you some hair cutting scissors. Okay, so I went ahead and did this side already. So I don't know if you can tell the difference between the ends. These are kind of more like straggly, and these are like cut more straight and even. So I barely cut any off. Barely, like maybe half an inch to an inch for each piece. And I'm going to show you how I did it on this side, but I just want to show you the difference. I'll come up close. So still have like some bad ends, but on this side you can see they're straight. They're like cut straight. And then these are just kind of like loose and just, yeah, not it. So what I do is I go section by section. It takes like 2 minutes. And I'll take sections maybe about this big. And I'll just run it between my 2 fingers like this. Usually this way. And I'll just cut off like the curly pieces at the end. So those like straggly curly pieces, maybe about half an inch. And I'll just cut it off. So now it's a little bit more neat. And I'll just go through, make sure I'm not mixing up the pieces. It takes me like 2 minutes. And I'll just go through and take a piece, run it through my fingers. I do it in these really tiny sections because my hair is like naturally layered, unfortunately. I wish my hair wasn't layered, but it is. So So the front pieces are shorter, so I want to make sure I still cut those ends. So that's why I just go section by section, starting from the back. And yeah, my ends really aren't that bad, so that's why I'm not cutting that much. But just enough to know that I am keeping my hair healthy and doing everything I can to stop breakage. I feel like my ends were getting a little bit like tangled and stuff when I would do styles, so this could possibly help with that. So when I was doing braid outs and stuff, I was experiencing breakage at my ends, and my ends were not, did not mean to do that. My ends were not taking products as well as the rest of my hair. Just a light trim. Literally there's like barely any hair on the ground. I'm not really going for like a shape. I'm not a hairstylist, so I'm just dusting, trimming my ends. I'm not really worried about the shape or it being uneven, because the only time my hair really looks uneven is if it's straightened. So if it's curly, I really don't care about it looking uneven. I really don't. And since I'm going layer by layer, there's no way I can mess up the shape that I currently have, because I'm cutting off the same exact amount from each layer. Okay, so we're all cut, we're all done. So now it's just neater. It's barely changed in length. So I barely cut any off. Honestly, there's like barely any hair on the floor. But I feel like I did myself a service, so I feel better about it. So we're gonna go with it. Okay guys, so that wraps up today's video. So I showed you guys how I blow out my hair and also how I trim my ends. If you guys want to know what I do with this blow dried look, please watch my next video. I'm going to be doing a twist out look on this blowout. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video.